Now we are on the Edit Gallery section of the NextGen gallery, and in here you'll see your title right here that you made originally. Right here is the description for the gallery, so I always try to put some keywords in there. For anyone I create, I always put the URL of the site too. You can always put the URL of your site. I mean, I don't mind it. You can put anything you want in there. So for the description, I would put something like, you know, here are some photos of Cardiff barbers. You know, something like that, where I have this keyword and keyword phrase here of the business, and then I have this keyword phrase, and then I put, you know, found at northsandiego.org. I mean, I always do that, something like that. You can write whatever you want. And here are all your images that you uploaded. So I always change the description of each image. Like I would just put like Cardiff Barbers 1, and then I would just put Cardiff Barbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now you have the description here for each photo, so if you can make a description for each photo and take the time to do that, then go ahead. I would recommend it, and put some keywords in there as well. Normally what I do is I just type in it once, and then I just copy and paste it down just because it's so time consuming. But if you only have a few photos, then I'd recommend it. I'd probably do it on something like 7, but when you have like 30 or 40 photos, it's, you know, there's 2 hours of your life gone. So that's what I do. I just copy and paste after I make the first one, and I include the URL as well, so you can always include the URL to your site or whatever you want on each photo, but I try to put some keywords in here too. The tags, so tags just work the same way as the other part of the site, so I would put like, you know, Cardiff Barbers, maybe even San Diego Barbers, haircut, you know, something like that, local business. And then I would just copy and paste that same thing like all the way down. So that's what I would do there, and then you're done. The only other thing you might want to do is you can actually sort the gallery. So you can hit sort, and then this is where you can rearrange the photos. So you just click it and drag, and then you can also, it does it right here too, image ID, file name, date and time, ascending, descending. So you can mess around with this until you get it right, but normally I just do it the long way and just click each one and just move them around how you want, and then it will be there. So you can do, well, let me switch that back. There we go, and then update sort order, and there you go, you're good to go, and you can hit back to gallery. And then all this would be filled out, everything, and then you just do save changes. And then we'll go on to the next part. I'll just continue back on the pictures from here.